Fernandez, a resident of San Matias on Diwar Island. Diwar Island is unique in the sense that we have two panchayats here, Goltim and Naveli on Diwar side and San Matias, which caters for Narva and Vashi. We are starting a very unique project called San Matias Community Project 2020. So the community project is a coming together of the panchayat, of citizens, and there's a company called Green Polymer with two of the people from our village. So the idea was today is to sensitize people about collecting garbage. So this morning at 9 o'clock, we were grateful to the Sarpanch who gave us a truck. And with the truck and few volunteers, we visited each and every house in Malar, San Matias. So that's nearly 700 houses. We had created an awareness last week and we got WhatsApp pages, and there we had already told people to segregate their garbage. So the main things we are looking for is glass, even if it's broken, plastics, hard, soft plastics, cardboard, and newspapers to start off. So it was very good news that this morning when we were going around, people had already started to segregate their garbage at source. So today we've collected garbage from around 700 houses, which was 3 truckloads. The good news is all this garbage is going to be kept at the panchayat. The next 2 days we'll be segregating that further, and the rest of the garbage, once it's segregated, will be taken by this company called Green Polymer, and eventually they will be using it to make bricks, pavings for houses. So that is the future. But first we have to start this project. Very interesting project that it's about sharing knowledge, about giving ideas to each other, and basically sensitizing that we should not throw our garbage. So this project now is going to happen every last Sunday of the month. And now we got another project. So this is door to door. So now there's the whole village to be picked up in front of chapels, churches, community halls. There's always something or the other left behind. So that will be on the 3rd Sunday of every month. Now we appeal to people from all over Goa, all over India. They can come and join us for this cleanup. This cleanup is for cleaning our world, and we only have one planet in this world. So we all have to look after it. So please come and join us.
I'm the Sarpanch of San Matias village, and now regarding this garbage, we have been collecting long back from house to house. Now from November we have started collecting the garbage from the roadside and all the places wherever it is being dumped. So we are getting fund from government, nearly 1 lakh for this job. We are utilizing it for cleaning the whole village. We want to keep the village clean and make it a clean and green village. I have to thank these guys who came to the panchayat and said that they wanted to make a move for cleaning the village. I said, I'll support you, I'll be with you, and we'll clean the village.
How did the panchayat support them?
Panchayat allowed them, gave them the 2 laborers and the van, rickshaw, for collecting
So
the garbage.
approximately how many houses you all went to and how much garbage you
Today
collected?
we moved in about 4 wards, from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Even we went to Narva, but because there was a shortage of time and we were not able to collect from there. We'll collect it next.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm Sohail Pereira. I'm from this island, Diwar. So basically, we are school friends. So we have known each other for the past 15 years. So we started this thing called as Green Polymers. So basically, our goal is to get to recycle everything that can be recycled and avoid stuff going into the landfill. So they will tell you about. So my colleague Dave will tell you about some.
So one of our initial plan was to make bricks and pavers, basically construction material entirely from waste. So that's your plastic construction and demolition waste, as well as multi-layered plastic that actually is very difficult to recycle all over India. So we've come up with a prototype right now about this brick that is made using this non-recyclable plastic. And also in parallel, we've also started this collection Today, how you saw, we've collected in Diwar with partnership from the panchayat.
Basically, our goal, which is to make bricks, has to start from the segregation and collection of waste. That is why we started this as a pilot project to kind of take us to our goal, which is the bricks. If we don't have waste that is properly segregated, which is given to the right people to make use of that waste, to upcycle it and to recycle it, then we will never be able to reach our goal of having a proper sustainable circular economy. That is why we kind of took the initiative. In the beginning, we did it by ourselves, and then Marius helped us a lot in getting in touch with the panchayat, and then the panchayat recognized our work and is now working together. We are both working hand in hand to get the waste from the people instead of them burning it, going and dumping it in certain spots and areas which they think that nobody cares about it. So we have kind of, with the help of the panchayat, are going around areas collecting the waste which is dumped in certain places and also going door to door and taking the waste from the people. We are also telling them about how they can segregate the waste. They can keep plastic in like a certain grade of plastic together and keep glass together, which kind of encourages us also to do the same job and also helps us in the segregation process.
And also, we are like many people don't know, but this idea of circular economy, where the waste that is generated goes back into the economy as a product. So, for example, as I said before, bricks, there are other companies also who want to partner with people like us so that their whole supply chain is met from getting the recyclable to the product.
Our prototypes are currently being tested, so it takes some time for us to get the final product. Basically, we got a really good response from the people.
In general, yeah.
They have this WhatsApp groups where all the people from the village are all there in that, and we started by putting in our posters, banners. We ourselves, when we collected the waste, also we spoke to certain individuals and people in the houses, and from there the word of mouth is what helped us a lot.
Yeah.
Because it's a close-knit village, everybody knows each other, everybody talks, everybody meets each other at certain whatever stores, supermarkets, in the ferries basically. That is where people converse with each other, and that's where the whole news spread. Right now also I think we've hit around 80-85% of Diwar, not the whole 100% of it. So maybe the next time, so we are planning this every month on the 4th Sunday, on the last Sunday of every month we are planning to go door to door, and we've already notified all the people, and the people who we could not get in touch with, slowly in a matter of months we will cover the full of Diwar. And then our plan is to move on and simultaneously start with Shorao Island as well. Why we are doing islands is, first thing is because we are from the island. So we would have a influence on the people that since we are islanders ourselves, we would kind of have a spark, add a spark to the fire. But then we are looking to go to places outside the island. So after we get this thing done, then we will be starting in areas such as Ribandar, the Panama Plateau, where there are more societies. It's not a village area, but there are more societies. So
and it's easy also initially to start in the villages. And as an island, you saw if the thing is dumped, it all ends up in the river and then it ends up in the sea. So basically, we'll just stop it there and then.
From St. Matthias Church Ward. Today we are very happy because under the guidance of or leadership of our youth Sohail and his team with Mario and our panchayat, they have taken a great initiative of cleaning our place, our Malar. And of course we used to have garbage collection from our panchayat once in 15 days, but then only a few things were taken. But today, especially the glass bottles and glass pieces, we didn't know how to get rid of them. So after passing the word around, segregating, people were very happy to segregate the plastics and the glass bottles and the cans especially. So all that we segregated, kept it out, and it's such a relief to have something like this. And definitely Malar is going to be more greener and more cleaner with this initiative. So I wish them all the best.
My name is Pradeep Sakalkam. I am resident of Malar. Also, I am a sports secretary of St. Matthias Sport Club, and also some members of our church temples. I am cleaning these bottles with the people. Our group is there to make our village clean. It is good for our health, environment also, and a lot of people they throw the bottles, plastic, glass bottle on the roads. So I'm advising people not to throw the bottles, glass bottles, plastic, any dust on the road. They can keep to near their house in the sideways, and every month, last Sunday, we will come to collect that bottles.